Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 7, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, we're going to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, and from the options right here, you're going to click on the power button and then hold power off. When you do so, as you can see, it changes into safe mode. So we're going to tap on this now, and this will turn off the device, and when it boots back up, it automatically enters safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device can start it up. Now this will also actually extend to the Samsung applications as well, as Samsung downloads them while you're going through the setup, and partially it could be that that's the reason why they're forcing you to sign into Wi-Fi. And because of that, a lot of Samsung applications, which you will see right now, will be just straight up unavailable to you in this mode. And those will include applications that you'd be very surprised, like Clock or Browser or Game Hub, Notes, Tips, Samsung, whatever, Global Goals, Calendar, Calculator, Clock, Members, a whole heck of a lot of applications in here. So any application that is just kind of more dim, those are the apps that don't work in here. And even if you try to open them up, as you can see, it will give you this pop-up, app disabled. So you cannot open it. So there we go. Now, once you're done troubleshooting your device and you want to go back to the normal mode, you can just find the power button once more, and this time around you'd select restart, and when the device boots back up, it automatically would boot back up into the normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.